Welcome back to Crack the Chaos series with me, Kavi Tendal. Today we'll be seeing about the virology part from microbiology. The topic is classification of viruses and the general morphology of the viruses. If you have not subscribed our channel, do subscribe for more interesting videos like this and as well press the bell icon so that you will receive a daily video notification. We'll be seeing about the morphology of virus first and then the classification with example. Coming to morphology of virus, any virus will have a nucleic acid and the nucleic acid is surrounded by some structure and that is in turn surrounded by some structure. What are we speaking about? That some structure is the nucleic acid will be present inner. The structure that covers nucleic acid could be the capsid. The structure that covers capsid could be the envelope. Now, when we are describing the nucleic acid, it could be of DNA or RNA type, single or double stranded, circular or linear in shape, segmented or non-segmented. Coming to capsid, basically capsid are proteins. The protein unit is called as capsomeres. The arrangement of capsomeres determines the symmetry. Now, as these are protein in nature, they are antigenic to host and they are specific to viruses. Based on the symmetry, the viruses are classified under spherical, helical, and complex. Guys, spherical virus example like all DNA virus are spherical except pox virus, which is of complex symmetry. Coming to helical viruses are basically flexible viruses and they are examples such as single stranded negative sense RNA enveloped viruses are helical viruses and helical symmetry. Coming to envelope is basically a cover over the capsid. Now, one thing to note in envelope is it has lipoprotein in nature. Now, the lipid part is derived from the host, whereas the protein part is synthesized in the virus itself. This envelope will be projecting as spikes. One example is influenza virus, which has more than one spikes, because in influenza it is having neuraminidase and as well hemagglutinin, that is two types of peplomers. This is susceptible to heat and as well to lipid solvents just ethers. With this basic idea, let us now see the classification. Coming to DNA virus is of double stranded DNA virus and single stranded DNA virus. Single stranded DNA virus is like very peculiar. They are all non-enveloped. Example is parvoviridae. Coming to double stranded, it is classified under non-envelope and envelope virus. Under non-envelope, it is adenovirus and papillomavirus as well pepavirus. Coming to enveloped, this is what we need to remember. One is pox virus, herpes virus. Never ever forget, herpes virus is one of the important example under enveloped double stranded DNA virus. And then is we have the hepatnaviridae virus. Now coming to RNA virus, it is single stranded and double stranded. Double stranded RNA virus is again peculiar and this is also similarly non-enveloped and example is it includes reoviridae. Coming to again single stranded RNA, it is of positive and negative strand. What is this positive negative strand? Is the negative strand is the virus which has to depend on RNA dependent RNA polymerase enzyme for its transcription. Next is under positive strand we have non-envelope and envelope, and the negative strand we have only have envelope. The examples of which we'll be seeing now. Now coming to double stranded RNA and single stranded DNA virus, which is of non-enveloped only. Now to remember this is the Oreo ad. The mnemonic is par Oreo. Par is like a standard everywhere. Whoever is going to eat, mostly children, used to take Oreo. They will take the biscuit, they will dip it in it, or before that they will release it out, twist it, dip it in it, and then eat it. So thereby a single biscuit is converted into two different and this two again into single. It is like double stranded RNA and single stranded DNA. The example is par Oreo. Par is for parvoviridae and Oreo, remember Rio. So reoviridae. Again till to remember P, Q and R is the alphabet order. P for parvoviridae with parvoviridae and R for reoviridae. After P only R is coming. So P could be of DNA and R is of RNA. So parvovirus is single stranded DNA and reovirus is double stranded RNA to be remembered. Next coming to DNA viruses. Remember DNA virus, just remember this: when we are going to punch someone and his tooth is falling out. Now translating is it in exactly in Tamil, that is மூஞ்சில குத்தி பல்ல வெளி உடைக்கிறது. Okay, so it's like that. So அடிக்கிறது, it's adenovirus, and பல்லு, so papilloma, so like that, something similarly rhyming. And papavirus, these three viruses are double stranded DNA virus. Next, coming to RNA viruses. RNA virus is a single stranded RNA, double stranded RNA, the classification. Now we'll see the example. First is non-enveloped single stranded RNA. So it is non-enveloped, or remember, like you are removing, so non-enveloped single stranded, only one gift at a time, and positive, that is you are excited you're excited to remove the gift like that. Okay, so the examples are Picarno and Calliciviridae. Pikkaradhu in Tamil like pikkaradhu kilikkaradhu, so both are removing like so Picarnoviridae and Calliciviridae. Next, coming to enveloped single stranded RNA, enveloped single stranded positive sense virus. In older days they'll be using envelopes. Old, like usually we say retro, so let's fix to retro. In that times they'll be using envelope, this pigeons for transmit for communication, right? Not only this, they would also think in very very olden days in Tamil literature we have studied, whenever the crow caws, then it means there is a sign of someone is going to come to home, or the crow is trying to communicate something. So having this in mind, it is the retroviridae, retro time, so older time, so retroviridae, coronaviridae, and these birds are flying animals, so flyviridae. And then in Tamil these wings are called toga, so it's called togaviridae. These are all the four important viruses classes that is coming under enveloped single stranded RNA positive sense virus. So envelope in older days, like retros older times, enveloped virus, retroviridae, coronaviridae, flyviridae, and togaviridae. Next is enveloped single stranded RNA of negative sense. To remember this, let us remember think this scene. What will be one's mindset in this scene? It is of fully scared and haunted, like mixed feeling, right? Because these are rabid animals, so they are more aggressive and it's going to follow us and chase us. So to remember, it is fully, so filoviridae, scared, air, so erina viridae, that is Lassa virus, and hanta virus of Bunia viridae. Then mix, so it is myxoviridae, that is it involves both orthomyxovirus and paramyxovirus. These are all enveloped single stranded negative sense, because in this point of time everyone will be having a negative thought. So negative sense, it is RNA, only one person, and single stranded, single again one person, enveloped. To remember, when someone is going like this, people will talk no from one to another. So enveloped is like someone is writing a letter and giving in the envelope. So when someone is going, he'll be speaking about many people. So enveloped single stranded RNA negative senses, these viruses. Thank you so much for your patient listening.